So we're going to try and take this little bad boy for a ride, the little KLX110R. Do have a pretty grumpy neighbour, so I'm going to do the respectful thing and walk it out a little bit, and then we'll get started.
Kids bikes or pit bikes? I see these little 110s being made into little weapons and raced and thrashed by older teens and young men everywhere.
Let's go.
Setting them up with beefed up shocks, aftermarket exhausts, higher bars and heaps of other rad mods. Now we bought this little KLX for my son to gain some trail riding experience, but I have to say I don't mind jumping on and giving it a quick squirt around the yard, or in this case, the bush behind us. These little beasts returned far better profits over the past 18 months of COVID, especially compared with our Super. So who's buying them and for what? Are they being bought for kids to learn on, or as pit bikes to rip and tear up on short tracks?
Oh yeah.
Maybe I should do a time test and compare how quick I can do this lap on this little KLX versus my DRZ. I reckon it'll be pretty close.
Woo! We're still there. Oh yeah. Got to adjust these brakes. Cool, man.
Geez, that was a fun little ride. I'm getting on at 40 years old now, but there's something about the little size, yet punchy little motor that makes it quite fun on the tight little tracks. What do you guys reckon? Keep them for the kids? Pimp them up as pitties? Or who cares, as long as you're having fun? I'd say that we're going to pass this one off when the time comes for our young fella to upgrade, but in the meantime, I don't see any harm in having a bit of fun along the way. We're all still young on the inside, right? Give us a comment, a like and a sub if you can. Cheers and hooroo.